How to find contact on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can find contact on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Snapchat application. And from the appeared screen, go over to your profile section by simply tapping on that little profile icon. Now tap on the gear icon, scroll all the way down and tap on manage contacts and you will be appear with this option. Now what you can do is make sure that the option is enabled. Once it's done, go into quick add section. Now as you can see, all the contacts from your phone is available in here. You can add anyone or find anyone from your contact on Snapchat. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and easy. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.